I figured something out recently that has been irritating the hell out of me. The more I learned about YouTube, the worse I got at YouTube, which makes absolutely no sense because when I first started and had no clue what I was doing, my videos actually performed way better. And looking back now, I can point to 3 horrible decisions I made that were quietly killing my channel. The first bad decision I made, I decided just being myself wasn't enough, which I'm still not sure why I thought that made any sense. Because when I first started this channel, I just pick a topic, write down a few bullet points, turn on the camera and talk. It wasn't perfect, but at least it sounded like me. Then, for some reason, I convinced myself I needed to sound more polished. So I started focusing on what I actually wanted to say and started focusing on how I was saying it. I was literally putting more effort into delivering the lines than what I actually had to say. But somehow, that wasn't my biggest screw up. The second bad decision I made, I thought I had finally figured YouTube out. I genuinely thought I had found the cheat code for YouTube. I was convinced I had found the answer. Turns out, I was about to do something really stupid. That cheat code I'm talking about? AI. I thought I'd found the freaking easy button. Turns out, I had no clue what I was doing. Need a video idea? Just ask AI. Need a script written? I'll have AI do it. Need a thumbnail? AI can do that for me too. And for a little while, I thought I had this whole thing figured out. Easy peasy. But every single video started pulling me in a completely different direction. Because I stopped thinking about what the channel was about and started focusing on just making videos. But then I realized I wasn't making the decisions anymore. I was letting AI do it for me. But apparently, I still hadn't learned my lesson. The third bad decision I made, I started changing way too many things all at the same time. And the stupid part, I thought I was helping. Early on, I changed the title on one of my videos, and it actually helped quite a bit. So, I naturally convinced myself titles got to be the problem. Then I started changing titles constantly with absolutely no data telling me I should be doing that. Then I started running the A/B thumbnail test, but I wouldn't even let the test finish. I just picked the one that I thought looked better and end the test myself. Then I started adding all the B-roll and sound effects and music, you name it. Basically convincing myself that I needed to turn every video into a movie production. And the problem was, I was changing all of this stuff at the same time. So if a video actually did do better, I had no clue why. What was it? The title? That was the thumbnail? Was it the content? Hell if I know. So I'm curious. Am I the only idiot that does this crap? Seriously, if you've made it this far in this video, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Because clearly, watching bad decisions unfold in real time is obviously your thing. Which means, apparently, both of us make some pretty questionable decisions. Which honestly, that makes sense. Because I'm 53 years old now, and somehow I decided the best use of my time was filming myself in my office talking to strangers on the internet. And that sentence alone tells me I should probably be in therapy.